Maintaining your septic system is crucial to ensure its long-term efficiency and prevent costly repairs. Why monthly septic maintenance matters. Monthly septic maintenance can help you avoid costly repairs and ensure the longevity of your system. It helps prevent blockages, poor drainage, and septic repairs. Here are some practical tips to help you keep your septic system and home in optimal condition. Number 1. Regular check-ins. While it's tempting to bury it and forget it, it's a good idea to check in on your tank monthly. For some with easy access, this may include looking into your tank. For those without easy access or those out of their comfort zone, inspect the surrounding areas. Take notice of smells, standing water, spots where the grass seems remarkably fertilized, or slower than regular drains. Number 2. Water conservation. Lots of water entering the system at once can disrupt the balance of microorganisms that break down waste. Fix any leaks and consider installing low-flow fixtures to reduce water usage. Number 3. Proper waste disposal. Avoid flushing non-biodegradable items like sanitary products, paper towels, and chemicals down the toilet or drains. Have a check-in with any children, guests, or tenants monthly to make sure everyone is aware of the rules. Number 4. Stay on top of your landscaping. Keep trees, shrubs, and large plants away from your septic to prevent root intrusion. Trim grass or shrubs near the septic and drain field so you can see any warning signs. Number 5. Schedule any needed inspections or pump outs. While monthly maintenance can help prevent many issues, it's essential to have your septic system professionally inspected regularly. While not a monthly occurrence, it's good to take note of your next scheduled appointment. Number 6. Ridding the house of harsh chemicals. Check new products for any harmful chemicals that can harm the bacteria in your tank. Keeping your septic happy and healthy. Monthly septic maintenance is vital for Central Florida residents to keep their septic systems running smoothly. Take the initiative and prioritize your monthly septic maintenance. Are you in need of septic care or repair in Central Florida? Advanced Septic Services of Florida can help. Contact us today at 352-242-6100.